Welcome everybody, it's Tuesday just after 12 p.m. local time here in London on the 16th of May. First up, let's see what financial events and announcements took place this morning that might have resulted in some market volatility. We have two items in the calendar for this morning. At 7 a.m. this morning, affecting the pound, we had the unemployment rate figures and the claimant count change, as in claiming for unemployment. And at 10 a.m., affecting the Eurozone, we had the GDP growth estimate, that's quarter over quarter and year over year, as well as the economic sentiment figures from the German ZEW Research Institute, which usually carries some weight. And now let's have a look at some of the events we have in our calendar for the rest of the day that you might want to keep in mind or investigate further. Actually, I'll caveat this by saying please remember that this list is in no way exhaustive and you should always do your own research. We have two items in our calendar for today, and that is at 8:30 a.m. that's Eastern Standard Time. We have for the Canadian dollar, we have the inflation rate figures month over month and year over year. And for the dollar, we have month over month retail sales figures coming out. So let's now take a look at the major pairs and how they traded in the first 4 hours of the London session. On the euro-dollar pair, it's been a good morning for the euro, which entered an ascending channel about 1 hour before the market open. There was a slight retracement at the London Open, and then the euro price rose again from 10 a.m. onwards on the positive Eurozone data. In summary, it gave a total range of around 41 pips over the morning, and the price went up by 22.5 pips. On the pound-dollar pair, the pound fell around 40 pips on negative British news regarding the pound at around 7 a.m. before recovering, and then the price got picked up by positive Eurozone data at 10 a.m. In summary, there was a total range of around 80 pips over the morning, and the price went up by almost 19 pips. On the dollar-Swissy pair, the dollar fell around 30 pips against the Swissy following the London Open, before reaching the 0.892 support level. Over the morning, there was a total range of 44 pips, and the price of the dollar against the Swissy went down by 24.5 pips. On the dollar-yen pair, the pair has been ranging all morning and has seen a fair amount of market indecision. There was a total range of around 36 pips over the course of the morning, and the price of the dollar against the yen went down by around 7.5 pips. On the Aussie-dollar pair, the Aussie rose around 10 pips against the dollar at the London Open and has been testing the 0.669 resistance level. And the Aussie also benefited slightly from the 10 a.m. Eurozone data. In summary, there was a total range of around 33 pips over the course of the morning, and the price of the Aussie against the dollar went up by 10 pips or thereabouts. On the Kiwi-dollar pair, the Kiwi also rose around 10 pips against the dollar at the London Open and has briefly tested the 0.625 resistance level, and over the course of the last 4 hours has risen about 20 pips. On the dollar-loonie pair, from around 7 o'clock in the morning, the dollar has dropped around 40 pips against the loonie before testing support at the $1.345 to the loonie mark, before then slowly ascending in advance of the New York session. In summary, there was a total range of around 50 pips over the course of the morning, and the price went down by 13 pips. So that's it from us here in London. Have a great day. We're off for lunch.